Myntri Rangbah ka jalau kan rat ke sangma lembat ki sembut Myntri Rangbah ba kentup uba preston tensong uba snyaw bhalang dhar ka Myntri ka tenar ka koit ka kia ka kong amprin lingdo kilawan manyashim bentalang ha kani kesngi ba thang bat pendu pendam Iaki drugs ha ka pajwa ding ka barhempa ha ka company dobila jong ka Star Cement Limited ha lum shnang ki drugs ki bla thang menta kasngi ki dei ki basyong dor hadu palat san pulai klur tingka kiba naki san pun ruteli ki case kiba naki district baper ha katai kasngi le don ringkat langru ka Myntri jong katanat ka kot ka kya ko kong ampri lingdo u superintendent of police ANTF Shillong u Jakpal Singh Dhanoa IPS ka MLA Sutra Saipung ka kong Santa Mary Shilla u superintendent of police East Giant Hills District Ugiri Prasad IPS local director ka Star Cement uba M Lanki Lamari representative management ka Star Cement u Devander Bansal u senior manager jong ka Star Cement Lumshnang u Siddharth Banerjee ki he pulit ki he sarkar bat kiwe nakaliang ka office u deputy commissioner ka East Giant Hills District bat kumju ru nakaliang ka company Star Cement Lumshnang kilapan ko buram yung Myntri Rangbah ukan rat sangma yaki arngut kisembut Myntri Rangbah badya ka MLA Sutanga Saipung. Haka di kasngi batang pendu pendam yaki teki drugs lawan ru ban Sakhi lang deki kenhun seng bhalang bakentup ka Newtrip Youth Council Central Body belalam khamat da u Secretary HYC CB uba Isaac Basayomot ka Newtrip Integrated Territorial Organization belalam khamat do President Hito East Giant Hills District u ba Deibormi Rimbai batki lay shimmentalang ru ha ka bathang yaki drugs ha ka pajwa ding barhem ha Star Cement
Great yang baru history corners yang baru pinong-pinong ke pecela jongi ninamnya keren su tang yang East Jantia dan West Jantia dan East Kasih anrei hap baru keleng sodong jo pecela mikala jongi tapi jongi nak kalian komen tolong ba dogini trailer nadu pinong sensasyon nadu pinong sejar hima umjuru kiseng balang ki bakero her kiseng kentei kiseng samlasno baru kabangi kerpa tolong dogini trailer batla lagi yo ia kecing kanu Insyo bahaban tertib Syafi police station dari police outpost jadi tiba ngingin aku ke direction ke direction ke bak tikna ke bak paka pumno ban hadel ya kini isu iba ni isu kai hadu katanga ding isno pulong na kalian coba police department bau chief minister dala Delhi nang tau deputy chief minister pasno balangdar rukunju ri kong aprin I balong minister coba head department nang tai local entity jongi kong santai don lang hakan kasni na kamenta banyak penpau lang yang kecil snokia jongi ya kalian kam kabang yoi bagade kat mama aba shirke ladang lang shisha kaban prelang ya kaban weng la di ban pendujan ya kaban ufan ni kajai jing di kaban kata hadu kata-kata ya kilong yi kilong senjung karo detang ni ketin bagian ai pulai prima
District. Sir, we assure you, sir, the fight against drugs will continue unabated under the leadership of our Honorable DGP to ensure that our youth of Meghalaya are safe and secure in the near future. So we are closely working out with the ATF team as well, day and night. So this main reason for this program is to ensure that there is a transparency in disposal of drugs. These drugs have been disposed duly after getting the due court order, and we have also invited members of public also to witness it. And all these things have been packed and properly immortalized, and now we have been doing it in the incinerator. Now we will submit the report accordingly. So there is no question of where the drugs which we have seized has been, going to different places or not. This is a very completely transparent process. So the main reason for this program is that only, sir, that we have invited members of public, everyone who has directly witnessed this program now, sir. So I would like to also thank Star Cement for immense support. So without their support, this was not possible because they have cooperated with us in helping the installation. And this is the second time we are doing, sir. And we have called all the friends from civil society and media also today as well, sir. So I thanks once again, sir, for all of them to be present here amidst your busy schedule, sir. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
The samples for sending for either for testing or for other purposes. While we are destroying majority of the drugs that have been seized, this would include heroin and ganja. We have more than 2,600 kgs of ganja being destroyed today. We have more than 3 kgs of heroin being destroyed today. We have a small quantity of opium, but that goes to the opium center in Ghazipur, which we are mandated to do, and we have in fact coordinated with the National Narcotics Control Bureau, which has facilitated and ensured that we adhere to all these rules under the NDPS. So rest assured, we are not doing anything other than what is mandated by us but by law, and we are, to the extent possibly, following the letter of the law in spirit and in letter.
Deputy Chief Ministers, Cabinet colleagues, MLAs, our DGP and other officials of the Police Department, of the administration, and all the other individuals who are present out here today. Today the particular process that we have followed, in which we have destroyed a large quantity of drugs, is once again another example of our commitment as a state government for the war against drugs in our state. Many steps have been taken in the past, and many more will be taken in the future. In the last few months, we have opened up the police station specifically to fight against drugs, and a team has been set up. Different programs, policies have been created by the state government in order to ensure that this war against drugs is taken to the next level. And today, once again, as I said, we are here to prove and to also show the entire state that we are very, very serious about the war against drugs. And I would like to give my sense of appreciation and congratulations to the police department, which has done an excellent job, headed by our DGP and the other officials who are in charge, our SP in charge of the ANT, and the anti-narcotics task force, and all the other SPs who are working closely in tandem with them, and all the other officials of the administration also who are working closely. That drugs worth over 53 crores have been destroyed, which includes almost about 23.98 crores worth of heroin, which has been destroyed, about 7.6 crores worth of ganja, about 21.3 crores worth of white crystal meth, and many other forms of drugs and substance abuse that is there. The materials, those have been today destroyed. And again, as mentioned by DGP, we have in our stock more that will be destroyed in the coming months, but there are procedures that need to be followed as per law, and certain permissions need to be taken from the court. And as a very strong message to our state, our citizens, that we are very serious about this, and this particular war and the fight against drugs will continue. But in order for us to overcome this, we need to work together. And so I also take this opportunity to appeal to the citizens, to the community, to our people, that we must be in this together and work together as a team. I'm happy today that our health minister also is here. Health department has a huge role to play. The social welfare department is also playing a very active role and is anchoring, in fact, the DREAM project and the mission that we have, which is to eliminate and also provide a rehabilitation to the drug users in the best possible manner, and eliminate drugs in terms of the supply that is there coming into our state and the country as a whole. So I once again would like to thank everybody who has done their bit to ensure that we are able to reach this point and continue our fight against drugs, and congratulate the team and wish the team the very best. I also thank the Star Cement for facilitating the entire process. For facilitating the entire process of the disposal of the drugs, because we needed an incinerator, we needed very high temperature to destroy them, and we were able to use the incinerator here at the factory premises to safely dispose of these drugs. And so I thank the Star Cement and the management and all the employees also for facilitating this entire process.